you want me to put? Like, make the reservation?
Did I text Macho see if he's gonna go to dinner? Because he didn't answer me.
Yo.
I'm 27 years old, guys, and this is... We're going out to get some coffee, and then we're gonna catch up with everybody else for dinner, so...
Oh, you're watching it?
Yes.
We're gonna reflect.
That's pretty good fight, to be honest.
Yeah. Too bad that already
Looks stressed.
Too bad that already knows. And I can't see the food.
So if you guys haven't figured it out, that's the most beautiful one.
Look at the future wife.
Tomorrow?
They're getting married next year.
Next year? Bakery and cafe. Did you guys get the donut?
Sing happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday. Isn't there a song like that? It's like a happy, I don't know.
We're gonna try some Venezuelan candies that Anna got me.
What's the difference between what's up?
Alright, this is Joseph, that's my god brother.
Make America great again.
This is the aftermath. I couldn't finish. He didn't finish. He didn't finish. Anna hasn't touched her plate yet. She said it was too hot. He left all his carbs. He's saving the onion. Untouched. This is brand new, straight out the... Yeah, tackling that.
For sure.
But the thing is, it's either that.
Wait,
It's either that. It's either that or what?
There's YouTube stuff.
I'm pregnant.
She just told me, I was like, what? Yeah, because she said it in a way, and I was like, oh, haha, she's tripping. That's what I thought.
He said something funny, and I completely dismissed it. I was like, and then I was like, wait, sorry, I have pregnancy.
No, yeah, and she said that, but I understood it as like late, like a post thing, you know?
Oh, part of
yeah,
it.
like, and I was like, but then I was like, yeah,
I'm like,
yo,
what?
And then she said, he doesn't get it, and then I fucking idiot. I was like, what am I not getting here? Then I got it. Yeah, I'm still like, what? Again?
He don't miss.
He don't miss. He's 3 for 3, nigga. Curry, bro. He's Curry.
So that could happen?
Melo, 3 to the dome.
Curry with it. Either that, or I think there's more in there. One of the two.
Hopefully more. Hopefully more.
currently in IKEA. This is a week after my birthday because I got some gift cards, and I got specifically 2 IKEA gift cards and some other ones that I need. I'm gonna buy a table for my room, and I need to buy some lamps. I forgot I was filming, and I didn't show you guys the lamps that I picked up, so I'm gonna show you this when we get home. But I got these 3, sorry. This is a globe lamp. This is a very popular right now lamp. I got the blue color one, and then this one, I'm indecisive of where I want to put it, but I thought it was super cool, and I'll show you guys when we get home. Sorry it's upside down, but this is a smoked out glass, and it glows from the inside. And then this is like a silver color. IKEA, I'm sorry, but I can't pay that right now. This is on the list. Bye, IKEA. I'll see you in a couple weeks. We went on an IKEA haul yesterday, and today we are redoing this wall. So right now it's like a black color. We're gonna paint it white, and then we're gonna build some stuff. They're gonna go right here. I'm excited. I failed to mention that today's Super Bowl Sunday. Go Bucks. We're almost done. Second coat is already on. I think it's enough to cover it all. I'm playing with all these little funny edges in the door. Then I have to do the inside of the door frame, which I'm not too worried about. But we're gonna knock out all the corners, all the edges that are untouched. Do the door, let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll go around the hinges here and the inside of the door frame. I have to tape off what isn't painted so that kind of protect my clothes too. So yeah, almost there. Shout out to the Eagles and all the Philly fans, Super Bowl champions. Game just finished. I pretty much finished. The only thing I didn't do was inside of the door frame because I don't have time for it at work tomorrow, so I need to get this all done, clean this up, put my table, and figure out what I'm doing on the wall, and show you guys the lamps that I bought. And I'll probably take care of the inside of the frame once this wall's gonna be painted all hunter green. This is like a forest Irish green color, but there was this cool collab that this company, I think it's called Backdrop, I could be wrong, they released 3 Porsche colors that are paint matched, like paint code match, but it's for interior wall. So that one is going to be Porsche Irish green, and then the rest of the room is going to stay white. I'm going to have acoustic panels up here, acoustic panels over there to matching the paint color, but we're starting here because it's the wall that's kind of like the most attractive wall in my room. It was black when we started the video, now it's white. Let's get the lamps and table set up. I got to clean up this paint. So I bought the Fado lamp from IKEA. It's just a big globe. And I do have this, I think it's a Philips. It's either Philips or General Electric Wi-Fi bulb that I can change all kinds of colors on here. So I'm gonna put that inside of here so I can have kind of a warmer tone. Eventually I'm gonna change all my light bulbs to have RGB so I can completely control and set scenes depending on the mood at the time of the day. I'm also shooting a reel for this, so just be patient with me. Our second lamp is the Glaswerk. Being that I'm on a white wall, I think blue would have popped way more than the yellow one would. Even though I have considered painting this into the color just like a lot of people have, but I don't have the time today, so it's gonna be blue for now. I've been working on my reel, trying to get this together, so I haven't kind of been back and forth, but the way I'm trying to make it aesthetic without being too crowded, right? So I'm standing right in front of the light, doesn't help. We have the blue lamp up here, we got the globe over there. I'm gonna try to fit my favorite fragrances on this side. I have some whole books there, my study Bible, some church science book. This is called Gospel of John, and my 2 daily wear watches. So far I think it looks cool, but I'm not done yet. I still gotta find out. I might just put more fragrances down there and just keep it at that. I kind of don't like the fragrances there though, so we'll see. I didn't get to fit all my fragrances there because I have too many for my small space. Like I have this tray full of fragrances here and I fit 5 of them over there. I have like 12 or 13. It's 11:30 and I work tomorrow, so I'm gonna go shower and I'll see you guys in a couple days. So my wall's all done now, and today we are washing Selena's car because she has the privilege of having a boyfriend that details cars. Then I gotta wash my mom's van. You can see it or not, I can't tell. And then we gotta do Bible talk, and then that's about it for this video. It's very short, very to the point. I had a very busy week as far as work goes, so I didn't get to film much outside of that. And then tomorrow morning, me and my brother leave for Texas to go film some content for my boy for his live recording. By the way, coming soon, JC Negron, his live album. It's gonna be recorded this Friday, February 14th. And so we're going over there, help him out, and film some content for him. And you guys can get to see that in the next video. So let's watch the cars.